I'm Dr. Kanzaskar, and today in this video I am going to tell you that what kind of exercises you can do during your periods. Or is it necessary that you should skip your workouts during your periods? Because most of the women पूरा month में they like keep on doing their workouts, मगर जैसे ही periods आते हैं it's a thing that they don't feel that हमें अपने periods में workout करना चाहिए, and they skip their workouts during their periods, which actually ruin their mood more. Because एक तो हमें पता है कि that PMS which is premenstrual syndrome, उसके effect symptoms आते हैं before the periods and 1-2 weeks before ही आने लग जाते हैं period से पहले. तो exercise during the periods will actually help those severe symptoms of PMS और वो उसको बहुत हद तक decrease करवा देगा. It's proven by evidence that the people who are having sedentary lifestyle और जो इतने ज़्यादा physical active नहीं होते, they are used to have heavier periods. उनका जो menstrual period होता है, it is considered heavy as compared to the people who are physical active and who actually do the workouts. So अगर आपको dysmenorrhea हो रहा है अपने periods के दौरान, cramping की pain होती है during the periods, and it's your second day and you are having a lot of severe pain due to the uterine cramping, तो उस कंडीशन में उस दिन आप बेशक वर्कआउट ना करें, बट इफ़ यू आर एबल दैट यू कैन स्टिल डू द वर्कआउट ऑन द सेकेंड डे, देन यू हैव टू. It will actually boost up your immune system, it will actually boost up your overall mood swings, which we females face a lot during our menstrual cycle. So it's a wrong myth or it's a wrong thing that you cannot work out during your periods, which you can actually do. You can actually proceed your workouts during your periods and it will do so good to your body and to your mood, because obviously during the periods our progesterone and estrogen levels are already low, which are the female hormones in the body, and the low level of progesterone and estrogen levels actually make us feel more tired. So what we can do to overcome that tiredness, we can actually be physical active to overcome that condition. So now I'm going to tell you that what kind of exercises you can do during your periods, and then at the end I'm going to give you a so precious tip that what can you actually do to reduce and to get rid of your uterine cramping and that severe pain during your periods without taking any kind of painkiller. So the exercises which you can do during your periods, the first one is you can start from the cardio, light walking. Just do the light brisk walking, light jogging if you can tolerate. Do that. Do muscle stretching. अपने फ्लोर पे लेट जाए रूम के और वहाँ पे मसल स्ट्रेचिंग करें. It will promote that good feel in you. You can do yoga, deep breathing yoga. जो exercises हैं वो steps आप अपने routine के अंदर लेके आएं during the periods. So these are simple exercises जो आप अपने routine basis पे कर सकते हैं during your periods. So not to feel so much bad during your periods and lie down whole day in your bed not talking to anyone, please don't do that. Be normal like the whole month you were like active. You can be active in those days by doing these kind of exercises. And now at the end, what you can actually do to prevent your uterine cramps and your severe pain during the period, which we call dysmenorrhea, because 90% of the females they actually face with this kind of pain. What you can do, apply a heating pad. आप नेक्स्ट मामास की साइट पे जाके, जो कि आपके लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा इजीली एक्सेसिबल है साइट, नेक्स्ट मामास पे जाएं और हीटिंग पैड, जो मेंस्ट्रुअल हीटिंग पैड है वो आप यूज़ करें. आई कैन पर्सनली गारंटी फ्रॉम बाय माई साइड दैट आई पर्सनली यूज्ड. And you know what, whenever I used to had my periods, I used to take painkiller because that pain was unbearable on the second day. But now I find this alternative, which is a heating pad, and ordered myself from the Next Mamas and I applied it, and oh my god, that was wonderful. Actually वो जो हीटिंग पैड है वो आपको वो हीट देता है, आपके यूट्राइन जो क्रैम्प्स हो रहे तो उनको कम करता है और आपका वो दर्द बिल्कुल ख़त्म हो जाता है, एंड आपको फील भी नहीं होता दैट यू आर हैविंग पीरियड्स, एंड विद द गुड फ्लो यू हैव योर पीरियड्स, और आपको किसी पेन किलर की भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. बिकॉज व्हाट द एक्चुअली पेन किलर डू, पेन किलर आपका जो पीरियड्स का फ्लो होता है आपके ब्लीडिंग को कम करवा देता है. सो इट्स नॉट गुड टू टेक अ पेन किलर. व्हाट यू कैन एक्चुअली डू, यू कैन जस्ट अप्लाई दैट हीटिंग पैड ऑन योर यूट्रस एंड यू कैन गेट अ पेन फ्री पीरियड menstrual cycle at home. So the heating pad about which I was talking, it's like this. You can actually get this heating pad from the Next Mamas. आप ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर करवा सकते हैं और आपको easily आपका ऑर्डर accessible होएगा like within few days. And let me show you that how it look like. It's like this, so thin to use. You just have to open it like from this side, like this. You have to open it like this, and then you have to place this side on your lower abdomen just above your uterus and leave it. It will work within like after half an hour. It will start working and you can use it for like 10 to 12 hours and you are good to go the whole day wherever you are going. If you are going on a function or if you are going to your work, you will actually have pain free periods. सो होप सो आज की वीडियो आप सबको बहुत अच्छी लगी होगी. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो गिव दिस वीडियो अ थम्स अप एंड डू सब्सक्राइब द अच्छा बच्चा चैनल. दुआओं में याद रखें. अल्लाह हाफिज़.